and exercise. Ayan. So, makaka-relate ang mga babae dito and of course, mga boys din for the hormonal changes. So, tinatawagan ko na po Coach Mayet. Go ahead po, take it away.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Okay, I'm just going to share my screen, ha? Okay, hold on. Yan. So, kamusta na kayong lahat? Ayan. So, share ko muna sa inyo yung ano, no, yung story ko. So, my story is that well, first of all, my name is Coach Mayat. I'm based here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, a mother of three, housewife, wellness coach, and ayan. Itong image na pinakita ko sa inyo is actually a story from when we started, my husband and I, when we started our Herbalife nutrition journey. So it's in a span of 13 years yan. In 2012, we were based in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So, nakita naman nyo, yung aming physical condition dyan is not ideal. Okay? So, at that time, I think I was like 46 years old at that time. I already had three children. And nag-weight gain ako niyan because of stress and of course of taking care of, being pregnant and giving birth and then taking care of the kids and then all, combined yun lahat. Okay, so nakalimutan ko basically yung how to take care of myself. So I was like 20 kilos overweight. And then when we came back home here in 2014, yung middle picture naman dyan, that was in 2017. Okay, so I was like probably, how old na yan? Mga 48 ako niyan, oo. And then, I was in the middle of my perimenopausal syndrome. Okay, so nakaka-experience ako ng hormonal changes. But then, because we already had a nutrition club and I completed yung healthy breakfast program, learning a lot of things. Then we took those learning and we decided that we will put up our own nutrition club. And I think we ran the nutrition club for like nearly 6 years, right, Dad? No? And then so during the time, yung natututunan ko from training about nutrition, about fitness, talagang it was I applied it and that's why I had for me an excellent result, okay, from that program. And then nakalagay dito, even 8 years later, because we were like consistent, okay, with the lifestyle that we chose. Yan. I'm proud to say that now at 59 years old, I am in my healthy aging season. I still have that energy that I gained, okay, from yung nakuha ko noon, okay, when we started our Herbalife nutrition journey. So, itong introduction ko na to is basically going to fit into our topic today because it talks about women, hormonal changes, and the importance of exercise. Okay, now this topic that I'm presenting is actually from a blog in our Herbalife Nutrition website. Okay, napaka-importante nito lalong-lalo na sa ating mga babae. Sino nga po dito yung mga nag-undergo na ng kanilang perimenopausal stage? Are you in that stage? Yan, paki-indicate lang siya. Just type 1, probably, ganon. Or probably, you know what? This could probably even for yung mga women natin, the younger women who are experiencing yung monthly hormonal changes nila. So if you're in that stage, you type 2. Yan. And yung mga natapos na who are into their menopause stage, yan, you can type 3. Yan. So, and then for those who are not, for clueless about it, you can even type 4. Okay. Ito pong topic na to ay makakatulong. It's really all about taking care of ourselves. having the awareness and then ensuring that we know how to take care of ourselves. Okay. So, itong topic na to will deal on two main points. Number one, hormonal changes affect our mood, our energy, and even our lifestyle choices. Okay, so I hope that for most of you who are undergoing itong mga hormonal monthly or seasonal hormonal changes natin, aware kayo dito. And number two point here in this topic is exercise is a very important tool to cope with hormonal shifts. Okay? So, ano ba yung benefits of a physical activity? Why does exercise matter at all? There are 4 points that we should know. First of all, it releases yung happy hormones, which we call endorphins. It's for better mood and reduced stress. It improves circulation and promotes a youthful glow. Of course, exercise builds lean muscle mass to counteract aging effects. O, di ba? Anti-aging ang exercise. And of course, it enhances our energy levels and reduces water retention. So yung mga problema nating mga kababaihan na we feel bloated, exercise helps that. Okay. But we also face barriers. May mga struggles tayo. First of all, hormonal shifts cause fatigue, di ba? Bloating and irritability. Yung lack of motivation due to energy fluctuations, yung tinatamad tayo. There's always a need for solutions, okay? Tailored to our cyclical changes. Yung cycle natin na we always have to, face to every month, okay? We need solutions for that. And that's part of our struggle. So here are 4 main points from the blog or from the article from Herbalife Nutrition that can help us go through this challenge. Number one, consistency is key. We need to establish a routine. So you commit to us, to set a 30-minute activity daily. Okay? May specific day. If you're not doing this daily, if you're just doing this 3 times a week or 4 times a week, set a specific day and time. Okay? Nakakatulong yan to establish a routine. And then focus, of course, on enjoyable exercises to create positive habits. Syempre, pag type mo yung gagawin mo, 'di ba? Mas nag-enjoy ka, and for you it's not something that you have to do. It's something that you love doing. Like for example, if you like Zumba or you like any other routine, like ang dami na kasi ngayong mga routines, may mga dance aerobics, 'di ba? May mga boxing aerobics, mga kung ano-ano. And then yung ability mo to control your routines, okay, yeah, it helps manage your any change effectively. Okay? Kasi if you focus on a routine, you determine that, it means you have control of it. So when you have control of something, it can manage yung mga physical changes effectively. Yan. So second point is, of course, di ba pag may mga hormonal shifts tayo and we experience yung fatigue, low energy, you choose yung mga low intensity options natin. And one of those low intensity options is the power of walking. So, first of all, walking is a versatile low impact exercise. Namamodify mo yung intensity mo rin based on how your body feels. If you're feeling up to it, you can like go yung mga uphill walks nyo, okay? You can even do lunges, okay, after you walk or before you walk. And then, make sure lang that pagka nadudun ka sa stage na tipong blah. Yun yung, alam mo, di ba, yung mga babae, yung feeling natin, blah, ganon. Parang ayokong gumawa ng anything. You avoid yung mga high-intensity workouts, like yung mga ginagawa nila, ni Coach Meba, Coach Louie, or even Chow, di ba? And, pagka nakaka-feel kayo ng mga cramps nyo, mga hot flashes natin, you avoid those. Walk lang tayo, chill lang, relax, ganon. Next, of course, very important is you build support systems, fitness and friendship. Okay? Kaya itong community natin, even if this is just online, it really helps a lot. Lalong-lalo na if you're always going to a physical nutrition club. Okay? Why? Yung exercise nyo with friends, may accountability yan, and namamotivate ka, di ba? You join fitness classes, so even if, let's say, you're not in a nutrition club, you go to, you attend a gym or a studio, okay, and you can even try personal training with a coach, okay, for variety. And then of course, alam naman natin, 'di ba, katulad ng na-mention na nila Coach Cecil palagi, 'di ba, dun sa yung sa bit nila kanina, yung social connections improve mental well-being. Yan. And last but not the least, most important thing is smart snacking strategies. Yes, kailangan mag-focus tayo ng mga strategies. Smart snacking, healthy meals, avoid the cookie jar. Yan, kasi di ba minsan pag nandoon tayo sa ating cycle, we either crave for salty or sweet things. Okay, but then if you know that you can choose nutrient-dense snacks like fruits, veggies, and mga protein shakes natin, um, advantage na yun sa'yo. And of course, you stay hydrated. There was recently, the last week, there was the importance of water in our diet. Okay, kasi yung when we stay hydrated, we manage cravings. And of course, we balance our indulgence with mindful eating to prevent overindulgence. So what that means basically is that, let's say you want to indulge, okay? Hindi mo mapipilit, maiiwasan yan minsan kasi oh you want to have the craving for chips, you want to have the craving for cakes, di ba? So we choose a cake na wala masyadong icing, okay? Or even just choose half a slice or a smaller slice, or even choose a cupcake or a muffin, or perhaps if you're craving for salty food, yung chips nyo, go for the healthier cheap options. Like sometimes kasi you just need that ano that yung gusto mo may crunchy ka lang nakakain. So you can make your own homemade chips like kale chips, di ba? And then there are options now for like yung mga kangkong chips, di ba? May nakikita tayong ganun. Or you know what, the best thing with Herbalife Nutrition, and if you go to a nutrition club, so when you have that salty craving, or salty, not yeah, maybe salty and then sweet cravings, you can go for a smoothie, okay? You can go for your protein waffle or um your protein bites. When I say protein bites, yung mga protein balls natin, di ba? So, or you can even have some nuts, yung mga ano natin, yung mga trail mix. So it's a balance of salty nuts and the sweet dried fruit. So, ganun lang. We have to be very mindful. Diba? Sabi nga nila, I'm very mindful. I'm very mindful with my snacking. I'm very mindful with my eating. I'm very mindful with my lifestyle. Yun. So, I hope that will help the women who are watching here. And of course, share this to your friends who are undergoing the same thing, mga hormonal changes. And let's live a healthier life together. So, marami pong salamat. At ang recap lang natin, okay, ladies, stay active and stay strong. You know, hormonal changes are a part of life. Hindi natin maiiwasan yan. But fitness can ease the journey. You take control of your health through yung mga small, consistent steps. You don't have to push yourself kaagad or bigla ka na lang mag-weightlifting dyan. No, you have to take those small baby steps and then increase mo yung intensity. Yon. And then, of course, after you have experienced this, katulad kaming mga coaches, because we have experienced this you support others in staying active and positive. And that's why we have this community. Yan. So ito na, totoo na. Thank you very much for listening. Have a good day, everyone.
Wow, thank you so much, Coach Mike. Very informative ang topic natin today. And of course, nakaka-relate tayong mga kababaihan. Ayan, syempre, no, stay strong, stay healthy tayo. So thank you again for joining our morning virtual nutrition club this Tuesday. So I hope magkita-kita po ulit tayo